Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cheap mosquito repellent by using only toothpaste. Right here, you can use any kind of toothpaste, and then a toilet paper, and then an empty soda can, and then a lighter. So all you need to do is just take a little bit of piece of toilet paper right here, and then just apply the toothpaste right here, just a little bit of toothpaste to right here to the edge right here, a little bit, not too much. Now you roll the toilet paper, and right there, kind of twist it a little bit right there, twist it like that, and then just apply a little toothpaste, not too much, right here to the outside. We just want to coat the toilet paper with the toothpaste, not to saturate with it, just coating it a little bit. All right, that we should do. Now put this in the soda can. Light it up. Okay, it's burning, blow out the flame. We don't want the flame, we just want the smoke right here. So if you go camping or you outdoor and you want a really cheap mosquito repellent, all you need is just a toothpaste, a toilet paper, and a soda can. That's it. And yeah, make sure if you use it inside the house, make sure you have good ventilation, because I don't think you want to inhale the smoke right here. So this will repel all the mosquito away from you right here. And there's another thing too with toothpaste. If you have a mosquito bite, like say if you have a mosquito bite, just apply a little toothpaste into right here. It's relief the sting. So that's another good trick too. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something here. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.